So welcome students. So in this question you're given that you have 2 points B11, C21 and the third point A, H, K, which is an unknown, and these 3 points form a right angle triangle with AC as the hypotenuse. So this is the information given and the area of this triangle is equal to 1. So if that is so, what is the value of K? What are the possible values of K? That's the question. So as you can very clearly see, BC is having a slope of 0. That means BC is parallel to x-axis. Hence, if you want a right angle triangle, BA has to be parallel to y-axis, right? So on this line, the x-coordinate has to be constant. And for the point B, the x-coordinate is equal to 1. Hence, for all lines, for all points on this line, the x-coordinate has to be equal to 1. So the point can be assumed as 1, K. Okay. Now the area of this triangle is given as 1. So what is the area of this triangle? Half times the base is 1 into height is equal to 1. So the height has to be equal to 2 units. The height has to be equal to 2 units, right? So my point A can be 2 units on the upward direction, above BC or below BC. So if I go 2 units above BC, so you get the point as 1, 3. If I similarly go 2 units below BC, I get the point as 1, minus 1, right? From 1, if I go 2 units downward. So the value of K can be equal to either minus 1 or 3. So those are the possible answers. Thank you.